We're here at the site of government corruption at its best. There's 1.48 million of radioactive waste buried right here underneath my feet. They say that this site can be contained for 1,000 years. Lies! There's the history right there. Not only we have this site, but then you got St. Louis County Atomic Home Front, where government radioactive waste buried in a disposal field. Right here. Government is not your friend. Government lies to you. You got cancer clusters, you got kids with disorders, all because of Big Brother government.